Hey guys, welcome back to 040 vlog. So in today's vlog we'll be reviewing something new and interesting, that is this gadget. So this is a Bluetooth intercom headset. So this can be used as an alternative to Sena. This costs us around $35 whereas Sena costs us $250. So basically this is a Bluetooth intercom. So in today's video I'll give you a full review of this gadget and I will show you how to install this on your helmet and how to set this device up.
So let us take a look of this box first. So it can be used as intercom, it can be used to connect mobile phone, it can be used to connect GPRS, it can connect with two other intercoms and can be used up to speeds of 120 kilometers per hour and is water resistant. Additionally, we have FM radio functionalities and this can work up to 1 kilometer range and can be used to fit on any helmet. Let's start the unboxing. So first we have the device, the intercom device. The quality looks great. Okay, let us check other items in the box. Then we have the user manual. It has all the instructions in it. And then we have the speakers. So the microphone is flexible microphone and this is a cable which needs to be connected, and we have the speakers with velcro on the back, and on the other side we have the sticky glue which can be used to stick it to our helmet, and then we have a USB charger. Looks good. And then we have a charger cable. So this looks very small. And we have one more cover. So this thing has some velcros. So these are two velcros with sticky gum on the back. Then we have a cable which is like 2.5 mm to 3.5 mm converter. This can be used to connect GPS or iPods. And then we have this plastic holder with the L key and two screws. So we can use this holder to permanently mount the device to the helmet. The build quality looks very good and built robustly. So we have the volume rockers here, and then we have the power button here, and we have the call button. So, and this is a charging port and a 3.5 mm port. So overall the device looks good and even the quality is very good. Now I will show you how to install this on your helmet. Let's see the procedure. First of all, you take the velcro and stick it on your helmet. Make sure the surface of the helmet is clean. And I'm using a velcro, but you can always use the stand or the plastic holder provided. I feel velcro is better. And stick the other part of the velcro to the device and stick them together. After this, remove all the cheek pads from the helmet like this. Keep the cheek pad safely in the side. So after all the cheek pads are removed, wear the helmet and mark the position of your ears in the helmet. So this is where you need to install the speakers velcros. So stick the velcros on the desired positions. Be careful while sticking this. Once the velcro is in place, take the microphone and stick it to the velcro. Similarly, repeat this process to all the speakers. Once everything is in place, take the extra wire and stuff it back to the cheek pads so that it is not visible and it does not tangle your head while removing or wearing the helmet. Now check the performance of the Bluetooth using this YouTube video, link in the description. Make sure that both left and right audio is audible. Once everything is in place, make a cut in the cheek pad like this and pass the wire through it.
So we are done with the installation. Let's see how we can use this device. So we can use this device as a Bluetooth, so we can connect our mobile phone using this device and listen to music, make calls, receive calls and all. So other thing, it can be used as radio. So if you don't have a mobile phone, you can use the inbuilt radio functionality to listen to music. Third thing, it can be used as intercom. So if you are riding, you can connect this device with your friend's similar device and you can stay communicated. So coming to the battery life of this device, so this the battery life is around 6 hours on the intercom and 12 hours on the Bluetooth. So I use it like 2 hours a day for a whole week and charge it once in a week. So it works fine. So let's talk good and bad things of this device. So first thing, it has great battery life, and second thing, it has great music quality. Third thing, even my audio sounds good in the phone call. Fourth thing, it is water resistant, so you can use it even in the rain. And coming to the bad things, this device doesn't support connection to other devices like GoPro and also, so that is one drawback I have observed. But it's okay for this price range. It is just $35 and it is doing its job. So overall, this is a great device every biker needs to buy. This makes a biker's life easier.
Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe for more.